English General Quiz, 40-question mix. Let's see how many you can answer correctly. What is the opposite of dead? Answer C. Alive. What is the opposite of deep? Answer B. Shallow. What is the synonym of laugh loudly? Answer A. Roar. What is the synonym of steal? Answer D. Rob. What does wear many hats mean? Answer A. Have many roles. What does when pigs fly mean? Answer D. Never. What is the plural of curtain? Answer A. Curtains. What is the plural of button? Answer C. Buttons. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. She can speak several languages. Which word is missing? Answer C. She reminded him to bring his passport. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. They accused him of cheating. What is the second form of overflow? Answer A. Overflowed. What is the past tense of sleep? Answer D. Slept. What is the past tense of lead? Answer C. Led. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Difference. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Position. Opposite of intricate. Answer B. Simple. Opposite of juvenile. Answer C. Mature. What is the opposite of generous? Answer B. Greedy. What is the synonym of fearful? Answer D. Afraid. What is the synonym of giant? Answer B. Huge. What is the synonym of brisk? Answer A. Fast. What does spill the tea mean? Answer D. Share gossip. What does salt of the earth mean? Answer B. Honest and good. What does the best of both worlds mean? Answer C. Have both. What is the plural of socket? Answer B. Sockets. What is the plural of heater? Answer D. Heaters. What is the plural of fan? Answer A. Fans. What is the plural of remote control? Answer D. Remote controls. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. I'm tired of doing this. Which word is missing? Answer C. He can play the piano very well. Which word is missing? Answer D. She didn't understand what I said. What is the past tense of show? Answer A. Showed. What is the second form of lean? Answer D. Lent. What is the second form of tear? Answer B. Tour. What is the second form of weep? Answer C. Wept. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Immediately. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Experiment. How is this word spelled? Answer A. Typical. Which option is correct? Answer A. Abroad. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.